啊！
你退人啊！
啊！
你退！
Listen, if they're gonna do this, they might as well swing at each other. Cause if it's me, I'm not even gonna give you time to pucker up your lips. It's lights out, my guy. I'm also gonna add this to the list of theories of how I think COVID started.
What's the route? What are you doing?
I don't know. It's beautiful, bro.
What is the matter with you?
Did he just kiss? What are you kissing for?
Who is that?
What are you doing?
Kissing my wife?
That's your wife?
Who'd you think it was?
Man, I thought that was like an actor or something. For real, for real. I didn't know that was your wife.
Man, get up and take it back.
I'm taking it back.
Take it back, bitch.
I'm sorry.
Yo, this old man was definitely a savage in his early days. He bagged a baddie, and I bet if he was 50 years younger, he would have tried to kick this guy's ass. I don't know who raised this menace to society, but I know in a real fire drill, he'd probably be the last one to escape.
That was, yeah. Oh, watch out.
Put your head outside there.
Hey, hold up, bro.
No. This is my business. I take license for this. No. If you want
I'm just
something,
trying to see what you get.
but look inside here. No, don't fuck with me. I don't like that. Shit.
The fam, I'm just trying to see what the fuck you got in this joint, man.
Huh? You know what I get?
Hey, man, hold on. Come
You're
on.
on the camera right now. You don't know.
The hell?
There's three things you don't mess with when it comes to a man: his family, his woman, and his money.
You need to leave.
Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh nah. Look. That's crazy. Oh. Oh.
Getting the umbrella? Oh yeah. Now you can go to the whip now.
That shit was coming down.
I know, man.